Hello and welcome to Preschool Plus book number 1. I am David and I will be your teacher. We will begin with unit number 1, Things for School. This is on page 6 in your books. Before we begin, take a moment and imagine things in your classroom. What do you see in your classroom at school? Let's get started. Welcome to Unit 1, Things for School. This is on page 6 in your books. Let's get started. First, let's look at the key words on page 6. These are the very important words for this unit, and they all have things to do with things for school. Let's start with this word here. What do you see? What is this shape? Is it a circle? No. Is it like a rectangle? Well, sort of, yes. It is a map, a picture of an area, like our world. A map shows you an area, a picture of a place. Let's do another one. What is this here? Is that a circle? No. It is a rectangle, like something that you read. It is a book. Let's try this one here. This is something, clearly, it's something that you write with. So it could be a crayon, or a marker, or perhaps a pencil. Now, with this word, let's imagine that you are writing with your pencil and, oh no, you made a mistake. What will you do? You can use your eraser to erase any mistake you made. Now, let's look at this here. It looks like a book, doesn't it? But this is a bit different than a book. This is a book that you write things in. It is a notebook. Now finally, we have this here. Is this a rectangle? No. It is kind of a circle shape, isn't it? It's like a map, but different. It is a globe. This shows a complete picture of our Earth. So now, let's see what you remember. What is this word here? Do you know? That's right. It's a pencil. What about this word here? Do you remember? Yes, it's a notebook. Now, let's move on to page 7. And look at the power words. So first, we have, what is this here? That's right, it's a crayon, one crayon. But what do we have here? Is this one crayon? No, it's two crayons. Let's try something else. What is that there? What is this word? Yes, that is a marker. But here, are these a marker? No, this is 1, 2, 3 markers. Notice the difference. A marker, markers. What about here? What is this? What is this here? Yes, that's a backpack. But over here, is this a backpack? No, this is 1, 2 backpacks. Let's do one more together. So this here, you may not know this word. This is a pencil case. But over here, is this a pencil case? No, this is 1, 2 pencil cases. Now, let's look at the picture of this boy here. What is he saying? He's saying, what's this? What's this? So, what is he pointing at? This word here, what's this? Do you remember this word? That's right. It's a pencil. Yes, it's or it is. It is a pencil. It is a pencil. It's a pencil. Let's try it for this word here. Do you remember this word? That's right. It's an eraser. It is an eraser. It's an eraser. So it is becomes it's. It's a pencil. It's an eraser. Let's do some more. So here again he's asking, what's this? So what's or what is? So what is becomes what's. What's this? What's this? Yes, it's a pencil. What's this? Right, it's an eraser. Finally, yes, let's read the sentences together. Let's look down at this picture here. This is asking how many of these things there are in this picture. How many crayons are there? Let's see. Are these crayons? No. Are these crayons? No. Are these crayons? Yes. How many do you see? Let's count them. 1, 2. There are 2 crayons. Let's do some more. How many markers are there? So, are these markers? No, those are crayons. These are markers. How many do you see? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 markers. Finally, let's look at how many backpacks are there. Now, are these backpacks? No, those are crayons. Are these backpacks? No, those are markers. So, these are backpacks. How many do you see? There is 1, 2. There's only 1 backpack. There is 1 backpack. Okay? Good job! Now, let's look on page 8 at Learn Together. So here we're going to talk about plural nouns. Now, nouns, as you know, it is a person, place, or thing. But what is plural? Well, we'll find out. So first, we have one of something. One pencil, a pencil, or one crayon, a crayon. These are they're called singular, having just one. But what happens if we have more than one? Let's see. Plural nouns, when we have more than one of something, we add the letter S. So, when we had a pencil, now we have pencils. We had one crayon, now we have, can you guess? Yes, crayons. Let's practice this together. So it says, look at each picture, and draw a circle around the right word. So here we have, is it a map or maps? How many do you see? Well, let's count them. There's 1, 2, only 1. So it is a map. One map. Let's look over here. Do you remember this word? Yes, it is eraser. But is it an eraser or erasers? Let's count them and find out. 1, 2, 3 erasers. Yes, so not 3 uneraser, 3 erasers. Let's do some more. So here, do we have a pencil case or pencil cases. Let's count them. 1, 2. Not one pencil case, but 2 pencil cases. What about here? Yes, that's a globe, but is it a globe or globes? There is 1, 2, only one. Just one globe, a globe. Let's practice some more. Yes, add S to each word. Yes, write down the words in your book. So in this picture, is that 1 crayon? No, it is 2 crayons. Yes, make sure to add the S to the end. Here, is this 1 backpack? No, 1, 2, 3 backpacks. Yes. Let's do some more. Is this 1 notebook? No, it is 1, 2 notebooks. Right. So is this 1 marker? No. Let's count them and find out how many. 1, 2, 3 markers. Now, so remember, when we have a plural noun, to add S to the end. Good job! Now let's look on the next page at Read Together. Look at this boy. He is pointing at something. Yes, he's saying, what's this? What is this? Yes, so what is, when we say it very quickly, it becomes what's. What is what's? What's this? What is this? What's this? It is a pencil. Yes, it is a pencil. It's a pencil. What is this? It is a pencil. What's this? It's a pencil. What about this? What's this? Yes, it's an eraser. Now let's look at this picture, and we'll need to see how many of these things there are here. How many globes are there? So let's see. Is that a globe? No. Is that a globe? Yes, that is a globe. Let's count and see how many there are. There's 1, 2, only 1. There is 1 globe. How many crayons are there? Well, let's see. Are those crayons? No, that's a globe. Those are crayons. How many do you see? There's 1, 2. There are 2 crayons. Notice the difference. There is 1, there are 2, or there are 3. When we have a single noun, we say there is. But when it is plural, we use there are. There are 2 crayons. Finally, how many books are there? Are these books? No, that's a globe. These are books. How many books do you see? 1, 2, 3. There is 3 books? No, there are 3 books. Yes. All right, now there are several other exercises in your book, but I am relying on you to complete those in your workbooks. Good job! Congratulations! You have finished Unit 1. Now remember the words that we have learned here today: pencil, globe, map, notebook. Also, remember how we change words from singular to plural. We add the letter S. So, pencil, pencils, book, books, map, maps. All right, good job, and I'll see you back here again for for unit number 2. Bye!